concepts were introduced in the late 1950s and early 1960s in the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, United States. The use of OOP concepts made programming simpler by dividing the program into a number of objects and also enabled the program to mimic the real world. In the mid-1980s, OOP became one of the most influential developments in programming. It attained the level of the most dominant programming methodology in the early and mid-1990s and became widely accepted due to the rising popularity of graphical user interface, which depend upon object-oriented programming techniques. However, nowadays a large number of object-oriented languages like C++, Perl, Python, Ruby are available. In object-oriented programming, an object is the fundamental element of interest. Consequently, the question arises, what is an object? Before moving forward, let us first discuss about object. If you look around and observe your surroundings, you will find many examples of real-world objects. Example: a pen, book, chair, table, car, mobile phone, bicycle, dog, your friend, or even yourself. In the real world, all of us interact with objects throughout our lives. Anything concrete, visible, or in the abstract form. Example: your email ID, bank account, which we can see, experience, or feel is an object. The next question crops up that if everything we see, feel, or experience is an object, then why one object differs from another? To answer this question, first we have to understand two important aspects about every object, that is, state and behavior. Definition: an object is an entity that has state, behavior, and a unique identity. State: all the characteristics or attributes that characterize any object define the state of the object. If we take an example of a dog, then its state is defined by attributes like pedigree, name, color, age. On the other hand, if we take example of a car, the attributes that define its state are its brand name, model name, color, size, power, engine, etc. Behavior: all the different functions or capabilities of an object can be defined or understood by its behavior. Let us know more. The properties which define the object are also termed as attributes of the object or characteristics of the object. Students note the fact, object is an instance of a class which contains the data and functions, characteristics and behavior together. Let us understand this through an example. A dog's behavior is understood by its barking, feeling hungry, sleeping, running or fetching an object. Likewise, the behavior of a car is revealed by its speed, changing of gears, applying of brakes, drifting, etc. Okay, let us take a discussion on differentiate between state and behavior. Let us understand the concept of state and behavior with more examples. A pen and a smartphone are objects, but they are completely different in their state and behavior. A pen is used to write, whereas a smartphone has capabilities like play music, call, browse internet, watch movies, click a photograph, send an SMS, etc. Thus, objects can be differentiated from each other in terms of their state and behavior. Even two identical mobile phones can also be differentiated from each other on the basis of their serial numbers, IMEI numbers. Similarly, if we compare two identical cars of the same manufacturer, model, color or power, even they also differ from one another by their registration number. In OOP, programs are built around objects, which allow programmers to create programs in a structured and organized manner. It also provides reusability feature, making programming simpler and productive. Now we will discuss